Welcome back, drawing students. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to draw a face. I started off by placing my pencil at the top center of the paper to form a symmetrical circle. Actually, I changed my position, but I'm trying to draw a round circle without the aid of an object so that I can form the top part of the head. And if you want to keep your paper flat on the desk, you can get some drafting tape, which you can find at a local art store. Either I got mine from either Joann's or Michael's. After I've finished taping my paper down, I'm going to draw a straight line down the middle to divide my face in half. Personally speaking, it may be better for me to draw my strokes slower next time because my line is looking a little lopsided. I just say this to say that you want to make sure you don't draw your features asymmetrically, but nothing is perfect anyway. So I am measuring my proportions. My thumb is at the nose, at the bottom of the nose, and right here my thumb is at the bottom of the chin. And I'm going to place a mark at this spot. And over here I'm going to draw out the bottom half of the face. To mark the middle of the eye, you can divide your left and right halves into halves again. Between the line separating the middle of the face and the middle of the eye is where you'll mark the edge of your nose. And I'm marking out the septum over here, which is the middle of the nose between the nostrils. What you want to do is measure out the distance from the bottom of where the eyelid would be to the bottom of the nose in order to label the distance between the top or middle of the lip. I chose the middle, so I'm marking the middle here because I may change how thin or thick my upper